abona notes kamchane. Arpore abona yagano chini judges about chini honorable chief guest song long the questions in mind a question not answer away. Tinini or sharikni Miss and Mr. Freshers in the manner. Now ready na joto na? Ready da? Okay. Yaba karabar chini Miss Freshers manner.
Voice masana ka selamat sa bulan.
Sharika Hamdotonaro and Mukha Jasmine Tiprasa, Holy Cross of Fosia Bhutanina, and Hobbies in her Mami Shonani, and I'm like to get up in Kiriku once more.
Your hobby, Mamu Shonani. Acha, Chini Mui Borok di Bisingo, Jotto di Shai, Mui Raja, Aboni Bung Tamu Shabe, Mui Raja, Mui, Abu Sekang Mabok Nai,
Mui Raja,
Mui Ashimi Sakin, ya Jotto Sakin, good.
Hi Jasmine. Em in life tao bị đi có why and why
I'm left to the once I come once I knew is a freezer.
GoPro em in life fix them này.
Yapri ko aste get mama sushi na ya.
Okay, goodness. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Kulumka, Sharika Amdotonano, Animumka Nisha Debbarma, and I have completed my high school from Don Bosco School, KWTAL, and I'm currently pursuing for Geography Honors in Holy Cross College. And my hobbies are dancing and playing basketball, and to read books, and most importantly for going out, which is for cycling.
Bukti dance Hamza.
Western or Totono, the Tabuk or Tiniwan, the dance Haka and Katashanka. Lebanon, which is my first time. I learned Lebanon, the traditional Bumano, Western Bumano.
Kisah sa movement ko Western kisah sa klay pun guna mana?
Sure.
Okay. Western. Okay.
Thank you, everyone.
Salah koroksa boleh koroksa lebih better.
Jotonon sari kaha, ani mungka Arian Debbarma, ani thainka Bisram Gons. Nke ang tabo via political science honors na holy cross of for itungo. Ani hobbies inga traveling.
In your family life?
Yes.
What's your family life?
Business.
Businessman.
Yes, sir.
Not only businessman, I want good businessman, a trustworthy businessman.
I have not thinking yet.
I want you to become a good businessman
Yes.
for my people, for my community. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Girls, beri dong, celah koroksa, beri koroksa.
Hello. Punya jero hai manjak thaine chini borong ganang judges, tai ani seniors, tai ani sabchalar no shari kaha, ani mungke khani Debbarma, tai ang gamsa kubrani, tai ang secondary school ni hayo, and currently I'm pursuing BA in economics, and ani in life mungke ang olo ani ekta nijini business khonam sungbo, and tai ani hobbies sungkan ke ang bisamna hamzago, musana hamzago, poina hamzago, te mamishuna hamzago. Thank you.
Balai kaham, business to balai kano sak cukma diabo kaisa samung kaham. Rita mung gua hamza gongkai, musamung to nuka na thokai no musaka. Rita mung kicha gun dunia.
Dogon, but ani korang kisa kelingnya because ang musai memang lengsa
Kuningnya.
Jadu himale buki shania hani shakano khani tola athu shamago jadu bonone shanani koya jadu himale buki shania hani shakano khani tola athu shamago jadu Abajama bojadu, bonule shanani ko gyan. O jadu ashme thoma, o jadu ashme thoma. Ramjadu paino no lepaya. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Celah koroksa, beri koroksa ya, please.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Reang. I am from men's department.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Take long breath. Yeah, okay, go ahead, please.
Good evening.
Mangsangya.
Good evening.
Kuninga.
Yes, my dear baby, good evening.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Reang. I am pursuing BSc Maths, and my hobby is drawing. And I came from Chintamala.
Very good. Good to see you. What's your aim in life? Teman nam sukma. Sarna is here.
No, ni life mo mau nunju.
On the banking sector, also focus keto.
Acha.
Ni no ni wo ni nau ni ko tau le tu. Tau.
Ang asari ang kuin chimaya apa ke wo deor man besa wo.
Ni
kere.
Long ni đâu tóc kere. Cái bùi ni đâu có lên từ từ khát tóc.
Tong.
Cái tóc cái chop chắc mà đi. Abang nói chỉ có bài tam mùi. Tóc nó chỉ chop mà đi chứ.
Takuk.
Không bài. Good, không bài.
Thank you.
Serially voice के पेटी जाना
Sharika amjadana ani mo Ashamka Debbarma and Tripura ni password khayo gaming namne te ani aim in life ang ke TCS pa TPS nani
I admit it. TCS, TPS में भी तमाम एग्जाम फेस करना है नहीं
abarang gamas saimya
TPS but TCS में भी TPS Tripura Public Service Commission exam में फेस है then you will become passing many years no TPS but TCS it will be decided by the board. Okay, good. Thank you. God bless.
what
God bless.
buji ako
Kaya tahu hamil kaya itu lono.
Cini teacher udah bisa kuna question nang
Nâng vô department gìคะ
all science department
Mini hobbies ni kok kana.
ani hobbies nang ke to result na balai sasa result
Book ti hai sa murang sa.
hindi song tay Kokborok song mo dito no bisa po but hindi vision kana
Result ng gasol. Result ng sasara.
result serunggo classical
Nang hindi kisisa result ay kinari marke.
to ako
Hambay
अंग पे से जाने लगे
Good evening, everyone present here. My dear special guest, my brothers and sisters, and my dear batchmates. I want to thank all my seniors for organizing such a beautiful event for us. Now coming to my introduction part. My name is Debbarma, currently pursuing BSc Geology in Holy Cross College, Agartala. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and modeling. Thank you so much.
Hello. Modeling na tu kakai tamu play na na. Tamu wat sulo.
I think good personality, pulanga personality, and then fitness, physically fit na mo. Then you have to physically fit and healthy to common na me. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sarika ham jotono no ani mungdar si Debbarma ang mandai kamini ke ang BA English honors nai pori tongo te ani hobby rok na ke rekap na ni musana ni yang jirok ta
Amtirok, kaya amtirok. Definite, not indefinite. Amtirok. ठीक है ऐसे दो रिक्वेस्ट करना है the freshers not only freshers Singapore sakti introduced tonight don't laugh too much be serious yes it's me I'm introducing you in front of you it's my dignity don't laugh too much okay
Darisha ini mungni meaning tamu kisah.
Ani mungni je meaning ke to asal to sai mi to jini je engko Debbarma ni je am pa no reza kata
Mungni meaning sai mi ada.
mungni meaning ke to sai mi asal to bo je sai man ma to ke to da bai ri sha no na
Okay, dah beri syarat sakana. Dan mungni meaning Simon lagi nak otak kita semua. Okay, thank you.
Sarika am jotono ani munggenje Debbarma ani schooling theka Ramesh mission haje te am tabu currently pursuing theka BSc Zoology and ani hobbies ka football thanani and studying books.
What's your name?
NJ Debbarma.
Huh?
NJ Debbarma.
Angel.
NJ.
Angel. Okay.
football already favorite footballer or idol
Huh?
football
Yeah.
footballer as a football look I'm not even any idols of footballer as a football
Yes, I did ngakang sanai ko rotary. Boleh ko defense midfield.
Borneo
Spain.
Spain yes good okay thank you God bless
Sarika ham jotono chini chief guest chini seniors te an sak jare rongno ani mu Raino Debbarma ani 11th and 12th pass out kha Kendra Vidyalay OTC Agartala ni tabuk economics honors te pori wi togo ani mu chungma rong kha as recently acting ha baran Yapri sheka obviously acting beleke hamjago te mu shamu chini borok nangna arani mem to rubala muni group na as an artist perform khayo thank you
ni musana ro
I musamani hamja
ke chini tripura haste ni kaisa bung sadi folk musamuni kaisa bung kaisa musamuni bung
momita
okay
hambai
okay good thank you
Raino, kamu. Nung to acting Raino hamzah guna.
yes sir
Kay ang ni video nukha kubi hamzah mata boleh. Okay, belai dah tu kan?
hambai sir
Kay am bagai nono sekarang ni bagai best wishes. Kay of acting Jeffro Raino thambo. Ini kisi se experience ketal da pahitam kisi sa.
sir ang to acting charai nishim na mu chongo কোনো problems to bhalia because nogo bogi samisa practice agi nishim na tongo and as an artist agi nishim na musawi tongo like dancer of ni main kha expressions hingga apuno ani acting ko help kai
Te kaisa nung tatabo rosamong acting ko hap kana kay nung saimane tongo si tripura hastewo kuwang ma amay video ro kuwang na video pore tongo
diba kai kubang ma video khong ma bisingo baksa video ro mane seng abo knatok ya panai thagya tongbu kai abno te ni wan sung tam
Sir, kabang mga productions tonggo je belai chikoni shimi jenggo maybe borok starting go kaham khaimya but kabang mga production borok skani shimi no bo ki hitungo and I feel choreography ro belai kaham ke nanai direction ro ka
okay
hambe sir
Sorry, myself, I'm from Kwai. I complete my school from Asam Public School at Talab, and I'm currently pursuing my BA Sociology in Holy Cross College. I don't have any specific hobbies, but I'm doing some. But kisa kan hok na nani ate kan hok sama kisa sababor. Dari free time hai roho and kisa nomor kisa polo. Travel of Hanyani, I'm very interested. And somehow, mental health kisa thikani bagai kisa yoga ro kaisa go. That's it.
Bama hai rasa mo hamza.
English songs.
English songs sabuni.
My favorite artist is Harry Styles.
Harry Styles. Yes, kisa rasa teman mana?
Actually, only
chorus, only.
Sorry?
Chorus,
Chorus.
Yeah.
Second disclaimer, you want to I'm saying, follow some I'm trying to tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds like a song. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go out. I'm just thinking out loud. I don't know if I could ever go without. One sugar high, one sugar high, one sugar high, one sugar high.
Ali saya juga hamil sabda. Okay. God bless. Thank you very much.
Sari kaham jodoh no chinor bhai macam mana chief guest ay ani senior roknobo ani mong Lisa Debbarma ani parangke mandai angani schooling complete khaga Sanpur school no tai ang tawo recently BA khai no Holy Cross school no Holy Cross college no ani hobbies singga ang mai missionary hamza go tai cartoon no na hamza go travel no khana ni hamza go ang tapos six zona ko na sa explore ro khajiga ko travel khajiga ko no future ro khana ni ne man chuki dongbo tai ani in life ga ka khoroksa teacher no mo son hamba
Like teacher, bahai teacher ang namuso.
ang chair ro no friend ne hamza go junior school ni teacher
Junior school teacher, good teacher ang namuso na. Nang ako mo sudah setak teacher ni kaisa kok kataba. Korok sa Pakistan ni, korok sa nang haidang beri. Korok kaisa education ti kok sama ni tamu. Akok no. Nang musik saya deman saya behavior nang sakawan share kaya namu suka. Selalu educated ni. Education naman is like kan nung zewan semua like hamburi rog educate korok sa selaro educated korok sa sela te korok sa no educate like if you buri rog le kang somas no sit kaiman o kau no bilion det like
want to go and get koroksa break teacher kakai desa cerero by communication kaham khaiman muni want to go tai frumani bo boro by free khainai course hawai kaham bujubi mana ni want to go
kong nang sai da lo koroksa sala educated sala get educated one koroksa na eba burila whole society to educate time o kong nang believe that like point that like is one say okay good take a second buri lek harang harang ke tos yas kunisimi khanai jora se educated info o kong nang believe that like
awala tini no puina khawo
yes omonga jotun slide koroksa Pakistan ni buri bumangang salia bok aisa omong hai ni bok samani buri koroksa lek harang ke yas kunisimi khanai jora lek harang that means for a society country world of hai no lama furuman mane okong no point of line na okay good thank you
Syarika ani bung talbang jamatia ang tau bi sociology khai tong first year ro ge ani class 12 pass khai ka St Paul school ni ge ani hobbies song ka dancing asnu
talbang na ni bung talbang talbang ni meaning tam
September sini 8 mo kaisa mani bung September hinjak ta talbang jamatia ba
okay nang rejam na simi mo chungo hai na
musama
ni khorang to khna to no balai ke nim tune ka kicha sa dur sabi
ang usabari ya
oh ning sabari ya
musama
balai ke khorang ka hamni ni announcement ro bui khna ka kai o chiri khok maro balai ke kutuk lai maro abo kusangi ma thang na asli khna to ni khorang
awas itu catatan ko
Recap di nengulo to kai musa kai popti musa
like hip hop battle underground battle rock eta
balai ke apa nanya ni mucuk to bahasa hip hop klek pun bahasa kicha
music
angan song choose ta kai mano
sadi
chale de
Keep it up, beta. Ye jari rakna.
Bully dog.
Good evening to one and all present here, respected chief guests, teachers, seniors, and all my dear batchmates. My name is Neha Molson. I did my schooling from Assam Rifle Public School, and I'm currently pursuing BCom honors from Holy Cross College. Thank you.
What's your hobbies again?
My hobbies are singing, dancing, and I love playing sports.
Do you know the folk song of Molson?
No, sir.
Like this? You don't know?
No, sir.
Okay. So what's the name of the principal of Holy Cross College?
Dr. Father Benny K. John.
Thank you, God bless.
Sir,
Yeah.
Thank you.
जतन सारे कहा चीनी चीफ गेस्ट हायर फाइमा जाने रखना ताई अन फिरने जग रखना बोले हमने पर फाइमा बागे अन वो सुरेश कराई पाउसा का सर्वर हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल में अन हॉबीज रखता मम्मी सोना ने एक्सरसाइज करता है म्यूजिक
Musical, actually, I really favorite folk tune. Kalau di Wayne Kilima, Maman,
ini sih
mana? Apa? Kalau kau sering di, balai ada simi actually balai feature apa nangai. Oh simi, it's another folk tune is very important for society's future development.
Nini kami bono,
ani kami ka Ompinagar community.
Ompinagar. Bo district of Laisana,
District
Gumoti. Koita district town. How many district in Tripura? How many district in our state?
29.
District Jela.
Mari education.
Koita Jela sami ada. Sini Tripura.
Ada.
Nenggulor teman sakit rokai na musumba.
Actually, teacher kan musuh.
Teacher itu teh sekeban saya mana namo. Gumoti Jela hai, tebo koita Jela dong sini o state ba hastewo. Saya mana neng tamu pogi tong kata. Ada?
Email.
Okay.
I think second day Thank you.
Sorry kahanjo jano. Kula njini senior sono hambai maya पर आसु program potoma ke sama bangai. Begede njini judge sama ko paile aro ko heke phaiwe aro ma khima bangai. Ani ko khani saja matia. Ani class 11 12 St. Paul's complete khaila ha heke tapo Holy Cross BSc Geography honors nai pori tu. Ke ani hobbies rom ke Korean dramas from Naibu, ke mami cuma di dunia pun nopo. Saya contoh mereka, tapi ke sering kaisa hobbies hai belum banyak.
Korean's drama your favorite? Sabani ni? Korean's drama your favorite character? Living. Can I check something community? Nene, aim in life ke?
Tapi to asal tu yang hebat ani like urban planner atau thangan di musuh.
Good idea. Urban planner is good idea.
Nini hobi mamu somna nina. Ke tam somna dengan sadar lapila.
Thungna dengan hebat asal khawrawan ternyata.
Mui borok ni bising bobot sombong ni.
Rubiah apa alu biar nama tiket.
Tam nang sadi. Biar amati somna.
Biar mas ham, ke mas ham, biaja. Ke wajib syuri somno, wajib syuri roya.
Belai rami bising pun uriya da biar amati yo belai.
Kudro kuiro rogo.
Biar amati ni bagi belai kaisa tu. Belai ke abo nang toko kota.
Pandan.
Yapri itu itu nanti. Dah, ni mamu somna kereng ba. Okay.
Dari kita berapa ke foto buku?
Sarika Hamzadorano, Darate Baisono, Ani Mumzusi Debbarma, Ani Parangi Bolkatar, and pass out school in Senator School Bujung Nagar, and currently I'm Tabu, be a social work now in and Ani hobbies Ganke, playing games, stage dancing.
Neng teman-teman tengah ujung sana.
Like volleyball rock.
Cini traditional kaisa sports ni pun sana. Cini borok ni bising agi ni simino tengi payu abo. Apa hai kaisa indoor fanu sadi, outdoor ni fanu sadi, kaisa sadi. Traditional sports and games. Anyone? Good. Abo indoor da outdoor?
Outdoor.
Abo indoor bagaimana? Agi cini borok ni adelino kotor tu. Wati Februari kasi nok bising apa nutung. Engkai cini agi barandaro kotor tu mati panu tungi mana? Abo board indoor dan outdoor duita tungi mana? Jaga tau kai space tu. Okay.
So, good evening everyone. My name is Reang and I have completed my class 12 from KWTAL Holy Cross School, and now I am currently studying in business administration. I am passionate about exploring nature and cycling. That's my hobby.
Nung running here.
Kanchanpur, not tripura. Nitya.
Nung saknai parang. Siya. May meron sungguh. Mana sungguh?
Chào krwiha, cái tiếng mùa đông xuân, cái tai lông rồng mong mình cái sang nộp vào đó tụi mình riêng tụi mình cái 2 year experience boy rong tham was on sung mà rong.
Cái nung chắc quay xuống thiếu mà bạn nào khi sang hạt được chưa?
Mình suta itu cái kita dengan som di dalam ke thamso ke look thori na ke konmom den bodi mayu ke ke lebuni ble bodi mayu and ke nu flavor no invest ke enhance ke mane matari mayu hacking bodi ni ke favorit bodi mayu class
Terima kasih saya kok. Mana sih? Bermain. Cak usung tiu bermain namun. Kamu ke cuma cak usung tiu mana use ke tato sudah use ke. Kamu lihat mana use ke?
Tough lah.
Good.
Hello everyone, my name is Tripura and I'm from Kanchanpur. I'm currently pursuing my BBA in Holy Cross College. And my hobbies are singing.
What type of singing?
Hindi song.
Hindi song ko dili Sophie, classical, semi-classical, light. Bago hay what type of song? Okay, what's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer?
Yeah.
My favorite singer is like Arjit Singh, Didi Mohan,
Okay.
and other
Engkau kan ini korok mana ini tu. Moi dah play this sama dia.
I can't speak Kokborok.
Oh. So what's your aim in life?
My aim in life is to become financial manager.
Financial manager. to control your family, to control your society.
Yes.
Your financial is the most important part
Yes.
for human beings. Okay, good. God bless.
Thank you.
Sarigam Jatalono, Operachagrade, Saxalerono, Animunka Omaderono. Currently, we English honors pursue Kaitamo. They are hoping with Tonga.
English honors both chapter favorite book.
Sir, is the school near the site and college. College near the recently the Divine Comedy.
Divine Comedy. Shakespeare's near
Merchant of Venice.
And one favorite Merchant of Venice. Okay, good. God bless.
Sorry, kamjadona aini munghe chali Reang angke Tiprasa BSc bodani pasero koredo aini hobby ke cooking dancing cooking dancing ke mam samung sa modern folk traditional gomsa traditional dialogue সাথে করে কই না কই ও ওকে dialogue music দাও
ओ ये लगाने का जगह है क्या
bari ke nai toha ke abon kai mo to gor na abon kai mo abo cloud ke abo di ma chandrahar bai abo tolao bisra
देखो तो रिकॉर्ड होगा ना ये चीज देखने के लिए कौन सा ये तो मिनी है
Good evening, everyone. My name is Chongpreng, and I'm pursuing my BA from Hobbies College in English Honors, and my hobby is singing. Thank you.
hina hoi chito naga
সমদর্শী চাকমা
সন্তোষী
সমদর্শী চাকমা
সমতোষী উত্তর হয়েছি
ময়নামাত্র
ময়নামা তোর হবি নি
আমার হবি সিঙ্গিং
সিঙ্গিং তোমার সমাজাদর একান ফোক গীত শুনে পারবি
এটা পুরন ফক নোয়ার কিন্তু কি হতো নর্মাল কোনো টাইম আছে কিন্তু গাছের গীত গান নবনি
বিজু গীত না হয়
ফারং কাকলে লিখছেন দিলাম দিয়ে মুই কো গান সাংগারি নবনি দারি কো গান
মডার্ন
নবনি চাকমা
ওকে
নাম সাজনে মাতা গায় গায় দুসর হবে নিও নাগর নাগানি তোর আকে দোন দেগো তোরে আদাম হো না ও ফরা আদামান দু তোর গায় গায় শুনি যায় শিখশিকে চুজি ফাজ আলে হবে সকে মনর হোদা তোর সময় নে জানা संगत ने जाना तो समय ओ फौरन मोरे ने जाना समय ने जाना संगत ने जाना तो समय ओ फौरन मोरे ने जाना
কম লাগলো তো কত না বলছিবি ই বেরিয়ে
হাতি
হাতি
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Tripura. I've completed my high school from Holy Cross School, Agartala, and currently I'm doing my major in computer science.
Your hobbies? Then I ask, MLY? No hobbies?
Pardon?
Your hobbies?
Since I'm a computer student, I like doing coding.
Okay. And you MLY? Aim in life?
I want to succeed in life so that I can make my parents proud since they have put so much effort for my education and I want to repay them back.
By becoming?
I'm not sure about it, but I might become a software developer or web developer.
Okay, God bless. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And very delightful good evening to your present here, respected judges, guests, teachers, and my senior. I, Swan Chakma, I have done my schooling in Assam Rifle Public School, Agartala, and currently I am pursuing BA English in Holy Cross College, Agartala. Moi Gonda Soratun.
Cuma sama jadul menaw kinot. Menalok kini sama jami buja siri buja panai siri namanya.
Hobong. Ode.
Lazanot sama match. Gid.
Nama.
Gitu kan?
Jangan.
Gid jangan.
Ode.
Oh.
Setoman noi kakak.
To eglan dilam.
Oga muri aina dizone, tolo ya miran beraze, tolo ya miran beraze, bijo elo muri, bozor zere bozor ki, sene tolo ya mi dizone, bijor tondo gaze. Thank you.
Okay, Douglas.
Good morning, good evening everyone. Sari ka hunjo tono ani monu jema Debbarma ani khorang bisa saya penono tan de bagde ani kisa kongre tawa. Holy Cross College ani BA Psychology pursue kai tawa. Ani hobbies rong gai paintings, music, gan rokhanani am sugno.
Abang nama sugai pakai sale, abang nama sugai pakai kore.
Life nama semua tak kubang mana nama semua, kai bishing nama semua kai proud to be proud.
Proud to be what?
Proud being mother's daughter, something like that.
Proud to be a good human being. Proud to be a good lady. Proud to be a good wife. Okay, God bless. Thank you very much. It's a good thing, though. Good initiative. Good vision. God bless. Holy Cross College, Kokborok subject itu
Tahu.
Bahai permanent bahai Holy Cross College, Kokborok permanent Kokborok subject itu bahai. Faculty orang paham tak?
Paham besar.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Thank you.
Good evening.
Contoh lonos hari kama respected judges and teachers ani mungkin langsung di Debbarma angke borgathalni ang tahu BSW honors na hari pori dongo ang pass out saja secondary school di ang future of night school namusung di ang hobbies ke social worker.
Home social works.
Kane punya cubaran musuh je backwards slice of semua sakit sana ni musuh muda.
Jangan pun semua kerana ni. Nasi aku sana ni. Jadi kerja ni ni. Wahai benar. Bopro ni sini wahai ni wan semua baik.
Ang agi ni sini no dia ang tiru wan sudah sentau YouTube lo kan nak mungkin nunggu kurang mana kiri lo no Debbarma no online tak ham tak post tu nak dah.
Belai kan. Kaya dulu kami kaitin God bless. Thank you. Thanks very much.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is Vibie I am Debbarma from Kokborok and I have done my 11 and 12 from High Secondary School and I am currently pursuing English honors at Holy College Debbarma.
Iuji tu nama apa hoge?
Sahel Chakma.
Sahel Chakma. From Kokborok. Tui higi zaman. Kalau hobi higi.
Morto halo favorite opinion hobi kani rokong bang.
Nadi zaman.
Nadi tu zaman.
Nadi zaman. Folk dance.
Folk dance lo kai.
Tumar sambar je folk dance siapa nangan ni?
Amar
Tumar sambar je folk dance. Lagi si folk dance orang nangan ni.
Bisu dance.
Ini sindrom teman kalian mini phone pro. Yung family tuloy siya.
Masih tunas nasa zaman.
Ngunit dah. Selalu dulu pakai.
Gantung ni. Kalau berkan
Kena kamu sini aku. Kena kamu terus sini aku.
Diberikan di modal nanti. Kokborok. Jika kaisan kokborok macam mungkin hele. Sarika hamane upra chakra de sak salai rolo ani bumong thariya koloi ani hobbies ke gaming watching dramas sini lai bumano sini upra chakra ni thani pusklai shai banan ke angtamo bi Kokborok nawai porito
Lai rumah kau hai lai rumah mandiri baik hai kamu semua.
kira kau cuma hai rumah.
For example.
Deep story.
Yes.
Handle kan macam. Borok lagi saya ni ya bawa tara kando.
Kalau community wo, jatuh islai, komedi islai, cinema baru utama. Kokborok cinema ni comedian, the best comedian. Saya main pernah, cimlang itu kan? Cimlang bumung. Okay, God bless.
good evening, everyone. And first of all, I want to thank to the respective chief guests and teachers, and of course my seniors for attending today's precious event and by giving their precious time to us freshers. And my name is Debbarma, and I am currently pursuing for become honors in Holy Cross College. And my hobby is to play football and to read mangas and video games.
What type of video games do you like?
Better ways.
Better ways. Do you like accomplished mission?
Yes, sir.
What kind of accomplished?
To win the game.
And your aim of life?
Sorry, sir.
What's your rank in life?
My goal.
Yeah.
Sir, I have not decided my goal yet, but I'm still finding my goal by adventuring or finding out.
Okay. But I want you to, not only you, we must become a good person, good human beings, first and foremost. That's I want you to become like this. Thank you very much.
Okay, Joel, one second. I have a question.
Yes, sir.
You said you love to play football, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me who is the best, Messi or Ronaldo?
Sir, I love both, but I would say Messi is the greatest player of all time.
Why?
Because he inspired me a lot by winning the 2022 World Cup. Because dreams are not meant to be giving up, dreams are meant to be achieved.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you all.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vanfali Koki. I'm pursuing my BA History, and my hobby is singing. Thank you.
From where? From where?
Sorry?
You're from where?
I'm from Tripura.
Tripura means in which place?
I'm from Ambassa,
Ambassa. Ambassa which place?
Kamlachara.
Ambassa. Okay. Your hobbies? Singing. Could you sing a Koki folk song for me?
I can't sing Koki, but I can sing some Mizo songs.
Okay, could you please sing any Mizo song?
Okay. It's you that knows what to do. In the dark, midnight, pray, night and day. And even the moon, I'm taken for you. That's I won't hunger and say I'll try a lot for you. Thank you.
Who is the singer of that song?
Guruji.
Guruji, okay.
Okay, done.
Okay, the second question is, what makes you choose Holy Cross College? There are so many colleges, ICFI, and there are so many degree colleges. So what makes you come to Holy Cross College?
So, Holy Cross was not in my list at all. I was waiting for the CUT exams, the result, but unfortunately I didn't get in, so I chose Holy Cross.
Okay, thank you for choosing Holy Cross.
Okay.
Jotonono Sari Kaham, Ani Mungka David Tripura, Ani Kamilka Mono Dalai District, Tai Ani Hobbies Unka. Anyway, Nana Tai Gan Kanawo, Ningatai Ani Antabo course my Poromani Unka be a Kokborok.
Kokborok Kokkan, I like it, Kokborok Kokkan University, Kokborok Kokkan University, Bum Saidama. Some swimmer in a village. Any, if any, Kokborok Kokkan swimmer, Kokkan Mahanga, Borok swimmer, Kokkan Sigan swimmer, Kokkan Mahanga.
Bongsi Thakur?
Bongsi Thakur, yes. Saidama?
Domino Ringdi.
Few lines. Not by her.
Rai makan ka buk
Okay, no problem. Pulau kana lagi kita masih perlu nama mana itu. Balai hampai.
Okay, David, one second. You said you are from Dalai Manu, right? Can you tell me who is the youngest MLA from Dalai district? Your neighbor.
I don't know, sir, about any politics.
He is from Dumachara.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, Paul Dangsu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
He's from Dumachara, your neighbor village. Thank you, you can go.
Celah korok saja dong sih beri fake sedikit nih. Beri celah nonton mana sih?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Zinatala, and I am from Kokborok, Vibie.
What's the full form of Vibie?
Business administration.
Business?
Bachelor of Business Administration.
Yes, that's right. You're from?
I'm from Tripura,
Panisagar. Your hobbies?
My hobbies are visiting new places and exploring.
Exploring and to visit the new places. And your aim in life? Your aim in life?
My aim in life is to be a businessman.
To be a businessman. What kind of business?
Like kind of business. So example like opening a apartment, some others of like making a
Self-reliant. To become self-reliant. To become established yourself. Okay, good. Thank you.
Okay, one. Again, hello, Gina.
Okay, bye-bye.
Teachers, the judges from ani Bumke, Dimitri Debbarma, and Tiprasa, English ani Hobbies from here, my middle school, outdoors games from they ani in life camp, kaisa video officer
Video officer means block development officer.
Video full form block development officer. Tewai si officer ni sana nanya video kan payu. Aja ni kami poro.
ani kami ke bilang keberapa
Aja. Tabu sini East Tripura ni MP ni mu salah kerja. East Tripura, Purbo Tripura, Salka Tripura. Aroni MP, Member of Parliament, bini bung tamu sate. Burui nyemung sate.
Guilty, Debbie. Okay, good, no problem. Oh my God, semua pemain itu selesai dulu. Okay, good, aman, that was.
Jodhana sarika album Indian drama ke ani kami ke Chintamala chithir kami ke ani kami ke dance style playing games ke ani every life ke ang jiasan atwa babu library culture.
Wow. Apa betul ni? Nak mana? Sini, tabung di Omolo, sen Hamzah Krwiha, Cerlai Krwiha. Berita asal beri si pura-pura tong ni bagi bayi yang kaya dulu. All time mo, of career to no more have so many of it's one kind of divine thinking. And what like a hambai, they I'm going to call Saturday secret because they all high also one someone. I don't know what happened later. They all imam mutan hambai. Yes, thank you.
Sari kaham jodoh ani mungsu hani Debbarma ang kailangan mo parang ang tabo biya si Bodan Marino.
Telepon hor pada dina, telepon hor pada dina area se. School karo schooling karo dini, not dream school. Okay. Jadi aim in life ki?
Ani aim in life ki future of successful world.
Yes, successful they established dengan good. Okay. Kaya tahu result tu hamar kaya tahu freshers sebenarnya this is level freshers. Thank you very much, Balai Hamar.
Okay, once again, second question. Second question, we have a second question. To be a good wife, what one woman has to have in all her personality to become a good wife.
To be an understanding person.
Yes.
To manage every problem.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Enough.